Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel all about materials and engineering. The name has it all. The channel will be providing informative and educational videos related to materials and engineering. The sole purpose of creating these videos is to give and explain the concept of engineering in a simple manner so you understand it better and you can remember it easily. Please like and give your valuable comments about the videos. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and stay connected with us. Engineering materials. In this video, we are going to see about engineering materials. First, we will see about the materials. The materials are anything that have weight and occupy some space. Materials are made up of matters. An increasing variety of material are available in the universe, having its own characteristics, applications, advantages, and limitations. Engineering. The field of engineering is concerned with the optimum use of material. The engineers are required to select the most suitable materials for their jobs. To make the optimum selection of material, engineers should have the fundamental principle which controls the property of material. The engineer should be capable of selecting the right material for the right job. Classification of engineering material. The taxonomic classification of engineering materials are as follows: metal and alloys, organic polymers, ceramics and glasses, composites. The first classification of engineering materials are metals and alloys. We will see the characteristics of metals and alloys. Metals. Metals are an elemental substance. It has a familiar object with the characteristics appearance, and it is capable of changing their shapes permanently. It will have a good thermal and electrical conductivity. Metals are composed of elements which are readily give up electrons to provide a metallic and electrical conductivity. Alloys. An alloy is a combination of more than one metal. The metal is combined together to give and enhance the mechanical properties of an material and grain size. It is also used to achieve the electrical and magnetic properties of a material. The metals and alloys are further subdivided into ferrous materials and non-ferrous materials. Ferrous material, the metal which contains iron as the main constituents, are called as ferrous materials. Non-ferrous materials, the metals which contains metals other than iron as their main constituents, are called as non-ferrous materials. Ferrous material. The ferrous material are subdivided into two categories, namely steel and cast iron. The steel are further subdivided into plain carbon steel, low alloy steel, or alloy steel. The plain carbon steels are subdivided into low carbon steel, medium carbon steel, and high carbon steel. The alloy steels are classified into tool steel and stainless steel. The classification of cast irons are as follows: gray cast iron, ductile or nodular cast iron, white cast iron, malleable cast iron. Non-ferrous material. The non-ferrous materials are divided into the following materials: copper, aluminium, lead, magnesium, nickel, tin, titanium, and zinc. Further, the copper is alloyed with the some of the items to give copper alloys. These are as follows: brasses, bronze, gunmetal, and copper-nickel. The brasses is the combination of copper and zinc. Likewise, bronze will be the combination of copper with tin. The gunmetal is produced with the mixture of copper, zinc, and tin. Cuprometal nickel will be the combination of copper and nickel. Likewise, the aluminum will be alloyed with uh, materials to give heat treatable aluminum alloy and non-heat treatable aluminum alloy. In heat treatable aluminum alloy, it will be combined with aluminum will be combined with copper, nickel, magnesium, silicon, zinc, and the combination will be as follows: alloy aluminum plus copper, aluminum, copper and nickel, aluminum, magnesium and silicon, aluminum, zinc and copper, aluminum and lithium. Non-heat treatable aluminum alloys are as follows: aluminum plus magnesium, aluminum and silicon alloys. Aluminum and copper alloys are also there. They are as follows: duralumin and Y alloy. The next classification of engineering materials and their characteristics of the ceramic, glasses, organic polymers, and composites are as follows: ceramic and glasses. The word ceramic is derived from the Greek word keramos, which means burnt stuff or pottery. The outstanding features of ceramics are non-metallic and inorganic solids that are processed are used in high temperatures. Ceramics are hard, strong, and have good brittle properties. They possess a very high melting temperature. They are good thermal and electrical insulators. They are resistant to oxidation and corrosion. Organic polymers. The term polymers is derived from two Greek words, poly and mers. The term poly means many, and the term mer means parts or units. Thus, the polymers are composed of large number of repeating units of small molecules called as monomers. The characteristics of polymers are: it is relatively inert and light. It is good thermal and electrical insulation properties, high resistance to chemical attack. It is a high degree of plasticity, and it is relatively of low cost. However, the low strength and stiffness can be improved by fiber reinforced polymers, composites. The composites are produced when two or more materials are joined to give a combination of properties that cannot be achieved from the original material, which will have significant different physical and chemical properties. It have stronger, it is stronger, lighter, and is less expensive compared with the other materials. Ceramics and glasses. Although there are numerous types of ceramics material available, we can summarize the main grouping of ceramic materials. They are engineering ceramics, whitewares, heavy claywares, refractories, stones, glass, abrasives, cements, electrical and magnetic ceramics, and nuclear ceramics. These are types of ceramics are subdivided based on the material types. Engineering ceramics are classified with the material types like oxides, carbides, nitrides, and ceramides. And the main application of these engineering ceramics are in dies, seals, bearings, spark plugs, diesel and turbo engines components. Whitewares are classified on the material types with porcelain, china, stoneware. And the main application of these whitewares are in tablewares, wall tiles, sanitary wires, and insulators. Heavy clayware. Heavy clay are material types of clay-based materials. The application of these heavy clayware are bricks, roof tiles, and pipes. Refractories. Refractories are material types of acids, intermediate, and basics. They are used in the application of furnace linings. Stones. The material types are granite, limestone, and sandstone. The main application of these materials are used in concrete aggregates and building stones. Glasses. Various glasses and glass ceramics are the material types of glasses. The application of these materials are used in containers and flat glasses. Abrasives. The material types are diamond, carbodrium, and ceramics. These are used in grinding wheels, abrasive cloths, and papers. Cements. Cements are material types of Portland cement and alumina. They are mostly used in concrete, structural products, etc. Electrical and magnetic ceramics. There are many types of electrical and magnetic type materials, and it is used in various applications including transmitters, varistors, and magnets. Nuclear and ceramics. The material types of nuclear and ceramics are oxides and carbides of uranium. Polymeric materials or polymers. The basic classification scheme of polymers is illustrated below. They are plastics, elastomers, adhesives, coatings, fibers, natural polymers, and biosystems. The classification scheme of polymers of plastics are as follows. The plastics are divided into thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. The thermoplastics are subdivided into commodity plastics and engineering plastics. The, the examples of commodity plastics are polyethylene, polypropylene, polystyrene, polyvinyl chloride. The examples of engineering plastics are ethnic, polyamide, cellulose, acetals, polycarbonate, polyamides, and polyethers, etc. Likewise, the thermosetting plastics are also classified as commodity plastics and engineering plastics. The examples of commodity plastics are as follows: phenolics, unsaturated, polyesters, and ureas. The examples of engineering plastics are as follows: silicons, polyamides, urethanes, melamines, epoxides, etc. The classification scheme for various composites are as follows: particle reinforced, fiber reinforced, and structural composites. The particle reinforced are subdivided into dispersion strengthened and large particles. The fiber reinforced are subdivided into continuous fiber reinforced and discontinuous fiber reinforced. The structural composites are subdivided into laminates and sandwich panels. The discontinuous fiber reinforced composites are subdivided into aligned and randomly oriented composites. The alternative classification of engineering materials based on the application can be subdivided as structures, machines, and devices. Here we will see the classification of engineering materials based on their application and how they are classified. Structures. It refers to the object without moving parts erected. The examples of structures are concrete dam, steel metal furnace, suspension bridge, oil refinery towers, etc., where the objects will not move with the erected parts. Machines. It refers to the object with moving parts erected. Example, lathe, steam and gas turbines, electrical motors and generators, etc. Here, the erected parts will have a moving parts. Devices. It is the most recent addition to the engineering material. The common examples of devices are transistors, photoelectric cells, piezoelectric pressure gauges, ceramic magnets, and lasers. Thanks for watching our video. Give your valuable comments on the comment section below, which will enable us to improvise our videos to give good videos on engineering and material sections. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to stay connected with us. Thank you.